Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you find yourself. This is Yao here welcoming you to the third video in the Common Twi Expressions series. How was your weekend? Mine went very well, thank you for asking. You may check out more lessons on www.learnakan.com. So what are we up to today? We are going to learn to greet in Twi. In my opening, I greeted good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How do we say those in Twi? And how do we respond to each of them in Twi? Okay, let's find out in the next couple of minutes. Good morning. Memawo achi. Memawo achi. Memawo achi. You could also use the shorter version. Machi. 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 How you respond to this greeting depends to a large extent on the age and sex of the one who greeted you. If it's an older male who greeted you, you respond by saying, Ya eja, Ya eja, Ya eja. For an elderly woman, you say, Ya ena, Ya ena, Ya ena. And if you were greeted by your sibling, a friend, or an age mate generally, you can respond with Ya enya, Ya enya, Ya enya. Next, good afternoon. Memawo aha, Memawo aha, Memawo aha. Or the shorter version, Maha, Maha, Maha. Same responses as those given for good morning. Ya eja to an elderly man, Ya ena to an elderly woman, and Ya enya to a sibling, a friend, or an age mate. Memawo ajo, Memawo ajo, Memawo ajo. Or Majo, Majo, Majo. Responses: Ya eja, Ya ena, and Ya enya. Apart from the usual Ya eja, Ya ena, and Ya enya responses, there are a ton of other responses that you could use depending on whom the one who greeted you is to you. You could have, for instance, Ya odo for a beloved, Ya medo if you want to personalize same, Ya medie if you need to show that the person is yours somehow, or Ya obi adie to acknowledge that the person is someone's. For example, if the one who greeted you happens to be engaged or married. Or you could just respond with Ya if you don't know the appropriate category to put the one who greeted you. Let's use the greetings in a little dialogue. Ama memawo achi. Kofi premo ato. Oh sa enye maha. Ya enya. Yao memawo ajo. Ya eja. Wo maame wo fie. Mepa wo chew debi. And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Thank you and see you in our next class.